Hi trippers! Join me as I travel alone to Ayutthaya, Thailand. This is Bangkok Grand Station. There are so many ways to reach this destination. You can either ride a taxi, bus, or train. The big building that you saw was the Grand Station, and just across that is the railway going to Ayutthaya. Here's where you can buy your ticket for 15 baht. This is an ordinary fan train, so you can enjoy the fresh air. This is how the train looks like. And this is how the inside of the train looks like. And this will be your view while traveling.